saved you a chair and everything. Do you like to wish when you blow out the candles on your cake? Me too. They haven't all come true yet, sadly. What is your flavor of birthday cake? What about Sinox? Maybe you are speaking a foreign language, but mostly I think you are just saying junk. I'm not sure which 99999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999. I wonder if everyone got together and sort of mass voted through social media if that would have an effect on the powers that be?
What's up? So, today I went to go mess around with my Furby baby right here. By the way, I got my camera to actually focus. I just needed to change the setting, which was very helpful. As you can see, give it a sec. It actually focuses now, which is nice. That, and I have this very bright camera, or this very bright thing right here. So, oops.
What about Furby?
There we go. I was playing with this one, and it turns out her batteries were low. And, this is by far the most
Every
terrifying
nose has its
Furby I've
horn,
seen.
and every paw has its claw.
Dead batteries. It is terrifying. Here, this is what I need. Let me grab the other battery. Hold on. Look at it. It's so terrifying.
If you could turn into a kitten, which color of fur would you like to have? A. Black. B. White. C. Tan.
And just using my pencil as a reset button.
Everybody wants to be me. Would you rather A. Cheat. B. Fail the test? Perfect. No one likes to cheat. I think you're too smart to fool anyway. Do you think tricks bring good luck?
She was doing like really loud stuff.
What do you bring? Any goodies in your pockets? During a long lecture, do you prefer to A. Stand, B. Sit? Sure, it's more comfortable, but I always fear my bottom will wobble. Mika, yes or no? A touch of magic doesn't hurt, does it? Think hint, my wardrobe. Glasses or contact lenses?
This video isn't building how I thought it would.
Do you think storm
It's a lot louder. Oh.
Great. Don't make me angry and keep yourself from a storm or two. How strong is your willpower? Can you eat only one piece of
Like
chocolate?
screaming in my face. I'm surprised it's not now.
No, one does not simply eat only one piece of chocolate. Except if it's a whole chocolate-sized piece. Can you type without looking at your phone? Cool. Me too. Blind texting ability is one of the most useful
Oh my
skills by
god.
pilots. What would you rather do
Kinda
for world
terrifying.
peace? A. Walk on hot
Bring this
charcoal.
one in
B. Eat a
because
secret
I don't want to be that terrified.
Yeah. Or would you rather live? A. Underwater.
Oh, of course, he does
Space.
Pacific Rim.
Really? But you can only throw things. Do you like high heels? Me too. I'm glad we share this information. A backpack for Helga. Being practical is the most important. Let's tell them something different
Oh my
first.
god. Oh, that's so loud.
Would you rather be alone?
Oh my god, that was really loud. See, this is what I meant by loud.
Happy endings. You might end up as best friends. Haha, I see you rolling your eyes. Would you rather A. Wash your tight clothes. B. Do the dishes.
See if we can wake her up.
Yeah. What's your trick? Do you lick them clean? If you were a superhero, would you rather A. Fly. B.
Nope.
Be invisible. Have
I don't like
you considered
this.
wearing a jetpack?
What's
Check
up?
out the Talking Friends episode 3 where Tom becomes the world's first flying cat.
Okay, now let's get this guy set again. Oh. Yeah, she went
Would
to
you
and
rather
then
be
she died
A.
right away.
Completely furry. B. Completely bald.
Well, let's switch over to this one for a minute. Like, you're not scary. By the way, his eyelashes start to fall off. Well, she can
Did you know that being soft and cuddly is the ultimate passion expression? So, can you keep a secret?
Oh, he's hungry.
Great. I have so much to gossip about. Just kidding. Does exotic food A. Intrigue you? B. Disgust you? I too like to try new things. Ever tried something new? Fish and even more fish. Yummy. Does the love of others A. Frustrate you? B. Make you happy? Good. It should. Would you like to be a famous explorer discovering new worlds? Me too. Take me to the end of the world and
No,
beyond.
he didn't do it.
What
Okay,
do
I
you
heard
think
her
is
do
more
it.
fun to play with?
Okay, let's
A
go
racket,
ahead and continue with
B.
this
A
girl.
ball. Who cares about a racket? There are so many games to play with the ball only. I have a riddle for you. Zebras are A. Black with white stripes. B. White with black stripes.
Okay, that's obnoxiously loud.
Is this your next shot? It's the other way around. They told me so. Would you rather A. Walk barefoot? B. Wear shoes that are 2 sizes too small for you? Just one piece of advice. With the dog food. And don't just me as I know
I
this.
glitched out for a second. She's not right yet.
How would you rather live again? The hard way. There's nothing more satisfying than a hard-won victory. Which superhero would you be? Batman or Superman? You should try on my Mickey Mouse pen.
Oh my god, you're trying to communicate. Oh, she's tough. Oh,
Would you rather become A. Popular fool? B. Ignored genius? Something like a failed compilation star?
Oh god.
Right-handed? B. Left-handed? C.
Oh,
Why
that's
do you ask?
terrifying.
So there's nothing left to decide for you, eh?
Okay, let me get a reset. That's annoying.
Pick one. A. Wile E. Coyote. B. Roadrunner. Really wish him a successful hunt. Although I seriously doubt he'll ever catch that bird. So, how would you rather drop a love note? A. Via SMS. B. With snail mail. You must be a survivor of the ice age. I bet you'll find your romance in a cave somewhere. Do you like talking to people?
I can always tell when it's
I love
Tuesdays
to
on
chat.
because they're in fright.
Could you live without your phone? I couldn't live without your phone. Do you prefer ancient times? Contemporary culture? We can learn a lot from the past. Did you know cats were from ancient Egypt? Cool. Anyway, I'm sure Cat Goddess asked what you're putting me on too. Would you rather go on?
Oh my gosh, thanks for this for me, please. Wow, that's actually hard.
Yeah, through the land of the holy cats, bowing to down. So, Harry Potter or the Lord of the Rings? The best part of Harry Potter is the cats. Regarding
Wow, my
cartoons,
camera's
Tom or Jerry? Good answer. You're getting out of this without a scratch. Your iPod is stuck on one song. Would you rather be A. Justin Bieber's Baby, B. Size
You
Gangnam
know, it really
Style?
focuses if I actually put the camera like near her without zooming
Kiri
in.
Neo Hey, Kiri Baro Neo Hey.
Yeah, like,
Yeah,
the camera's
it's
coming
cool to
soon,
listen
public
without
tomorrow,
knowing what it's
actually,
about.
so I'm
Which
getting
dance do you
fun.
like better? A. Cha Cha Cha. B. Waltz.
By the way, I still have the tags on them.
Thinking of waltz now to make me kind of scared. How do you like your art? A. Straight to the point. B. Open for discussion.
Whatever. And then there's a tiger tag.
You don't like to waste your precious time.
For some reason,
I
this
agree.
box was in
Would
the
you rather
box,
spend
but
your
it
day
actually comes with,
A.
like,
Surfing the
a
internet,
original
B.
on it.
Surfing the ocean?
Unless it actually be an original.
Look into my eyes. Swish swell brood. Surf's up. Would you rather
Anyways,
A.
guys,
Have 9 lives? B. Be
I
young
don't know
for
how
the
she
rest of
managed
your
to
life?
sleep even after.
Then you've got to think and act like a cat. Let's
she's
practice.
on low battery.
Repeat after
That was
me.
weird.
Meow, meow,
So,
purr,
see you
meow.
guys later. Bye.
You have a knack for this. Do you like board games? Can't beat an evening with friends that ends in you ruling the world. Okay. Have you heard of Ulaanbaatar? You have a good knowledge of geography. Ulaanbaatar is becoming the world's most polluted city. Many old cars, coal and wood-burning stoves, and the air is often totally still. Maybe you are speaking a foreign language, but mostly I think you are just saying junk, huh?
Kuya Gab, Kuya, bigyan niyo ng hanap
Watch your
mo.
language, please.
Hindi
Are you speaking a
net
foreign
mo.
language or just saying junk? Watch your language, please. Maybe you should type a bit slower. Try speaking English. I don't understand. I don't understand you. What's up? I love cats of all shapes and sizes, and people too. So knock it off. You what? Take that kind of talk elsewhere. What are you talking about?
Kuya, bigyan.
Oh my. And I was so happy when you came here.